Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to unbox and then I'll assemble this and put this up in my garage. This is a skateboard display racks, 4-space angles. So I looked for, I looked through a lot of the different options to display the skateboards that I have, and this is ultimately the one that I decided to purchase, and it's made by this company here, 212 Maine. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. Here are the wall anchors that it comes with. And skateboard display racks, installation instructions, and it talks about how to install this. Step one, I'm going to put all of these pieces, let's see here, flip this around. I'm going to put all these pieces where they go. And then, one of the sides has a spot where the screw can go in, and then one of the sides is finished. I mean, I'm happy that this is going to be a snug fit, but it is a little difficult to get this in. Let me work on this a little bit, and I'll be back and kind of let you know how it goes. Okay, guys, this is what I had to do because, I could not get this to just... This one, well, that one goes in a little better after I say that, but... Some of that one goes in good too. Maybe it was just this particular one. That side's a little tight too. Like that one's tight too. So what I had to do, it looks like some of these are going to be able to just, fit in like that. Like that one fit in. This one was much tougher. So I mean, what I did, let's see if there's some other, that one goes in too. So some of these, most of these, it's just kind of going in. I don't know if it's the pegs or whatever these are called, or the holes. Like that one goes in. It looks like in most scenarios it's not going to be an issue. In this scenario, I couldn't get it to go in, so I mean, what I did was just, I set up the cardboard here on the floor, and then, put this over the top because I didn't want to hurt it, and then just slowly tapped it in with this rubber mallet here. And this one's in place now. It looks like these other ones, for the most part, are going to just fit in. But for whatever reason, on this one, was a little more difficult. Okay, and then I'm just I'll just do one at a time. And then I'll just put the screw in the back. I like being able to work in the garage. Today's a nice day out here. And I've had this skateboard rack for a while. So I'm happy to be able to put this up. Okay, there's that one. That's what that one looks like. I'm just going to finish the rest, and I'll let you know if I have any other issues. Okay guys, here is what it looks like currently. And the only other one I think I had trouble with was this one here. I think I had to put, you know, this over the top and gently tap it in. But it wasn't as bad as the first one that I did, which was this one here. Okay, and then these two pieces go in here. There's no screws for them though, so they just show them in the instructions. I'm just fitting in here, and this one's like really loose. But for now, since I'm not hanging anything off of these, I'm just going to leave them as they are. Okay guys, I decided that I'm going to mount the skateboard display rack onto a stud. So I'm just going to be using the screw and not the wall anchor. Okay, so I started with a 1/8 inch drill bit for the pilot hole, and it wasn't big enough, and I ended up stripping the screw heads. So I had to go find new screws. These are the ones that I found here. Number 10 by 3 inch wood screws, and they're very similar. They're not exact, but they're similar, and that's what I'm going to use. Don't do what I did. You know, I tried to put the original screws in the 1/8 inch pilot hole, and I ended up stripping them. So I ended up using the 9/64 drill bit for the pilot hole, and I'm hoping that that works better. And I bought a set of extra screws just in case I need them. All right, guys, this looks awesome. I am really happy with this. The one thing I might change is I might put felt on the top of the wood pegs or dowels here, whatever these are called, just to help protect the graphics on the skateboards. But I am really happy with this. You know, I had some issues. You know, there were some issues with these pegs here that I talked about. And then I had issues with the screws stripping, and that was my fault. Luckily, I was able to find replacements that were very similar to the original ones. But don't mess up like I did. Make sure that you use the original screws. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really happy with this and having a way to display the skateboards that I have. So I hope you guys, oh, and also I have videos on these skateboards, and I will link a couple of them at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.